Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the MEE Audio X10 truly wireless sports earphones. So here we have the box, and on the top you can see some of its headline features. So the earphones have 4.5 hours of battery life, while the total battery life is 23 hours with the charging case. It also has an IPX5 rating, so that means it's a sweat-proof design and it can easily be taken to the gym, and it will also survive a few splashes in the rain if needed. So let's turn the box around. Here you see that it's mentioning what we're going to see inside the box. We have a charging case, a Type-C power cable, and the ear tips, 3 sets of ear tips. At the back here we have some more information, and here it gives us a few specifications. So the driver size is 5 mm. It's an HD micro driver which really pumps up the bass. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz or 20 kilohertz. They use Bluetooth version 5.0. The operating range is about 33 feet, so that's 10 meters. And yeah, it also says that the carrying case has 4 additional chargers along with the supported Bluetooth profiles and other extra information. So the great thing about this case is if you flip it over just like this, Mi Audio has actually added a bunch of controls, the instructions for the controls of the buttons. And here you can see that the right piece, if you press it once, it will pause or play the music and answer or decline phone calls. If you press it twice, it will increase the volume level, and if you press it 3 times, it'll take you to the next track. Also, pressing and holding it for a period of 2 seconds will activate your voice assistant, which can be Siri or Google Assistant. On the other hand, the left earpiece, if you press it once, it will again do the same thing. It'll pause or play or answer or decline calls. If you press it twice, it will decrease the volume, and pressing it 3 times will take you to the previous track. And yet again, you can hold it for 2 seconds to activate your voice assistant. It also gives you the same battery life information here, 4.5 hours on the earphones, 18 hours on the charging case, which equals to a total of 22.5 hours. Here they say 23, I think that's just the rounded off figure. And it also tells you that the charging case provides you with 4 additional chargers. And now let's pull this tab open, just like that, and we can get these free. So we're going to slide these out. And that's it. Yeah, so here you can see right away, you can see the charging case and the earphones themselves, which we are going to set aside for a moment while we look at the rest of the stuff inside the box. It's there quite securely in this foam padding. So here you have a few instructions about how to place the earphones inside the case, how long it takes for charging. So it takes 2 hours for the charging case to charge up completely. And if you remove the earpieces from the case, it will turn on automatically, and then you can simply pair it to your phone. So you have all the information here. So now let's see what else this comes with. So here we have the USB Type-C charger with a Type-A on one end, so it can be attached to a power brick or to your PC or laptop, and you can simply plug it in this to charge it. So we're going to set this aside, and here we also have a few extra silicone tips. So it looks like the earphone themselves have the medium-sized tips, while in here we have the large and the small tips. These are extremely small tips. So yeah, they should fit just about any ear. If you have extremely small ears, these look just about right, or if you have large ears, these look right too. So let's set these aside, and there's nothing at the back except for the user manual. So here you have a QR code as well. To set it up, you can scan this QR code, or you can visit the website which is given right here, and then you'll get the setup for the X10, the setup guide. Apart from that, you have all the instructions of how to use. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.